I've gone ahead and changed a little bit of length and length of the links here. You can see the link from the main rotor head to the flybar mixing arm. I have literally loosened it by 3 complete turns. So I've pulled this out, loosened by 3 turns, and this link here, once again if I can, and this link I have tightened it by 1 turn. Now here I seems to, with this kind of setting, I seem to have got the pitch range that I require, that is -11 at the negative and positive +11. Let's go ahead and check it out. Okay, I've switched on my transmitter and I powered the heli up. I've put my throttle all the way down. Now if you see closely, it is -11 here. Yeah. Now let's try to pull the camera slightly on the top to see if it is aligned. Yes, it is. Just a hairline, that's fine. Let's put it back again. So this is -11, it is aligned, so it's perfectly fine. Now let me push the pitch or the throttle all the way to the top now. I'll push it all the way into the top now. Let's check the reading. It should be 11. Or if not slightly more, that we can change in the pitch curve, but at least it should be slightly somewhere close to 11. Yeah, I think we seem to have got that. I can't capture this by the camera here, but you can see it's almost parallel. That means to say it is 11. Yep. This seems to be fine. The fine tuning can be done. Go across to your menu. If you can see this, go across to your pitch menu, throttle. I'm doing this in the normal right now, normal mode. Go and select the high mode, and I'll start reducing the points slightly. Yeah, you can see it's almost parallel now. So if you look at my transmitter, I'm getting 96.5 all the way at the bottom. Let me see, I should get in fact I have all the way at the bottom at 0, I've got -11. Now the center, I should be getting 0. Yeah, this is the center, close to 50-50, that's 50-51, that's fine. Let me check out if you're getting 0. Let's pick the camera up. Yes, we are. So for a minor one, that's fine. I think we can still go ahead with that. That's not an issue at all. So this seems to be a good range, +11, -11, center stick 0. And yes, please do not forget to sorry, go ahead and also do the similar thing across on the other side of the rotor. Meaning, loosen this by 3 turns, and this link tighten it by 1 turn. So this setting is for 3D mode. I will just go ahead and do this for any beginner. That's a normal one, where we will like to get across at the bottom. At the bottom, I would like to get as -3, center 0, and all the way on the top should be 11. So again, for in normal, for any kind of a beginner who is not into 3D, -3 at the bottom, 0 at the center, and +11 all the way on the top. So let's go ahead and set that up. Let's start fixing up the pitch curve for normal mode now. At the bottom we should have -3 negative pitch. Center we should have 0 as the stunt modes, and all the way on the top it should be +11. Now let's put this down. Let us see what we can do here. I have already gone ahead and set up my pitch gauge to -3, -3. I think you can see that hopefully. Yeah, that's on -3. I'll pick up my transmitter now, and let's start playing around with the just one second, let me fix it up. Yeah, let's start playing around with the pitch curve here. Now at this point, let me select again, sorry. At this point on a normal mode, I'll start increasing the curve, and let's see if we can get across 3 degrees, and then let's stop where we get 3. I think I've got 3 here. Let me try to pull the camera a little bit on the top so you can see. Yes, it's aligned. I hope you can see that. Now in the center we need to have 0. I know I'm repeating again, but I just want to be sure that we get this right. Yeah, I've got mid-stick 0 here. Let me see. I've put it on mid-stick here. It's on mid-stick. Let's see if you've got 0. This is on 0 pitch. It is on 0. I think there's again what we saw earlier, there was a slight hairline difference. Let's set that up using the pitch curve again. What I'll do is I will start moving, or I'll start increasing my I can see it. The other way around. I think I've got 0 here. Let me yeah, this is 0. Let me pull it all the way on the top. Should be 11. In fact, it is 11. It's quite parallel here, but I can't move the camera anymore back because I don't have space to shoot here. So this is what it is. This covers the pitch, setting of the pitch curve for normal mode, stunt 1, stunt 2, that's idle up 1, idle up 2, and also for the throttle hold, which is exactly the same as the stunt curves. Now next segment, let's start fixing, or let's start tuning the throttle curve.